for feeling protected. We have been promoting the importance of the Bay of Panama among the citizens of Panama City. Many people don't even know that this is such an important place. So it's not just about birds.
Only 2.5 hours from Miami. We have about 1,000 bird species. That's about 120 more than Costa Rica. So we have more birds than Costa Rica. We have about 1,000 bird species. That's about 120 more than Costa Rica. So we have more birds than Costa Rica and a lot less bird watchers. And the proximity of the birding spots to the lodge and the variety of habitat. You can go from lowland to cloud forest in an hour. And in between you have transitional forests, you have marshes, you have a lake.